To update OneUI 8 on Samsung Galaxy A07, navigate to Settings, scroll down and go to Software Update. Go to Download and Install, and from here you can instantly install now, or you can also schedule install for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. For now we are installing instantly right now, so click install now and it will take few minutes to install. Let's wait and see. The update is completed successfully. Please note that it takes 10 to 15 minutes on average to install. Make sure battery is above 40% before you install. And here you can see new features of One UI 8. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.